Hello guys, I'm Vic. Today I am going to tell you about the version 14 of Electro AI. I was working on this version for last more than a month, I think, and the reason was because I was working deeply for the ChatGPT integrations and the Python integrations with the latest versions of AI models, and also I was waiting for GPT-4. Most of the people have the access, and most of the people have access, but they are not able to use API version of that. So that's why I haven't added that chat GPT, I mean GPT-4 in this version, but I have the system ready. But I was released in the upcoming updates. I have to work on that as well. So let's talk about the version 14. Well, the first update is I have added the GPT 3.5 Turbo model of AI, OpenAI, that was actually used for the chat GPT. So now it will be able to be used in all of the article modules. Article modules are these four, right? Quick blogs. This one is new. I will talk about it later. Info blogs, single SEO, and bulk SEO. The most commonly used one is this one, but the people who are using lots of blogs, they are using this. But I will tell you in the uh, later that I will personally I am using nowadays this version, this module. It is actually making lots of articles on based on informational article structure. Anyway, so ChatGPT model will be used on only these four article modules, right? How to select that? Let me show you. You have to go into the OpenAI, right? And then you have to come here. So make sure this one is also working fine, but obviously ChatGPT is generating a more accurate and in-depth content for each heading. You will see how it's working, but you can still use this one, but it is better that you use this because behind this ChatGPT, it is using this model, right? So GPT-4 will be also be available as soon as they have official release for that, because that is not officially released yet. So I'm waiting for that time. So till then I will be working on that. I also I have added info blogs, works with ChatGPT AI model only. Yes, this is the info blogs model right after the quick blogs. So you can add 100 titles, one per line, right? Or you can add like 1,000 topics, just one per line topics. You have to just give them him here, and you just have to hit run, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. It will be automatically generate all 1,000 articles, and it will be posting on your WordPress website, right? I will show you how to connect the WordPress website. I think I have showed you already in the previous video, but also again I will show you this because some people were not mm, able to connect WordPress because they don't know how to make the keys for, I mean, the password for the application password for this Electro AI. So edit auto WordPress poster for info blogs. Yeah, that's what I was talking. Generate and post thousands of info blogs in one click. Okay, let's talk about how you have to generate the application password. First of all, you have to go to your admin user of your WordPress, right? Then you have to scroll down and come to this section, right? You can just control F4 and just search for application password, or you just have to come scroll down, and after the profile picture you will see this, right? So let's see, let's say we have, you can type anything here, doesn't matter. Okay, so then you have to just click here and copy this. Do not share this, obviously it will be allowing anyone to post on your website, but just for the sake safety, you just have to save it once, and then it will not show you again. I mean, once the screen is refreshed, it will not be visible here. So you can create any application password again for the next time. For example, uh, I have it on my other client sites, so I have to change it every time I change the website. For example, I was working on the previous website, and then now I am working on this website. So every time I have to change this application password. So for example, for the next time you come here, then you can, you see it is here. You can delete this as well. You just have to click here and it will be deleted. For example, you have added users another website key here, but the next time you come here and you have to type add a new key again, like this, right? Just copy and paste. That's it. Okay, and now here you have to give the website path and the username of your website admin user. And now let's see if it's working. Okay, great, test post created successfully. Let me check. Let me check drafts. Yeah, this is here, right? So you have successfully connected your website with Electro AI, right? So you can just set publish or draft. I would recommend you to use draft and just check this. Sometimes you don't want to publish to WordPress, then you can just uncheck it. And also one more thing, all 4 article modules will be able to use this, right? So if you are just testing or something, then you just uncheck it, right? So for now, I'm just going to post it, the first article. Okay, also I have added retries, like software is able to now, if sometimes OpenAI is not responding properly, or sometimes it has issues and downtime, on their servers. So it will wait for some time and then it will send request again and again, 3 times to 5 times, so that we get most maximum we will get the response from them, right? And all 3 of the modules except this, like, and this is the new one, obviously, all three modules are also be usable with ChatGPT model, right? As I have told you before, this model is applicable on these 4, right? Okay, I have recently actually, what happened? Recently, I have made these articles, the quick blog. Actually, quick blog is obviously you have to do some edits after publishing the post. I have edited many things here. I mean, editing mean I was actually uh, formatting, like there were spaces and extra new lines, and I've added the H3, H2s. So that type of stuff you have to do, make the article beautiful before posting it. And also you have to do fact checks if you are writing about some specific things. So as this is about the generic topic, so that's why I didn't check many facts here, but still I was just checking, and I also applied Grammarly on it and just checked many things here. So this is how you can just get article with like this, and it will be also 80 to 90 plus human based article that when you check in it into the AI detection softwares, right? So, and this is the structure of the quick blogs. Quick blogs are like, I have already told you that you just have to add 110 or 1000 articles here. The info blogs is same, but it will have the different output. Let me show you different structure. I mean, like it will be a more like informative article. It will have it's actually similar, but I have prompt engineered it according to the informational article and stuff like that, right? So This is the model that I have been using a lot nowadays with for my articles on the different websites, just for the info blogs. And what else we have? These are the old ones, but I have made the examples so that you can see that it is making a more lengthy content with ChatGPT. Let me show you how. Okay, in the past, many people were complaining that once if the heading is like 5 steps to do this, then Electro is not actually typing this 5 steps. But with this ChatGPT model integration, if the heading says, I mean, not this one heading, the H2 headings or something like this, then if the heading is saying some 5 steps or 10 tips like that, so then it will be actually adding those 5 steps or 10 steps. So it is more advanced now, and each heading will have its own proper content, not, I mean, short content, because it will cover whole this topic now. And it will be very user friendly. Obviously, I have done many formatting stuff here, and you see discover tutorials with, and all these headings are custom headings that I gave into the single SEO blog, right? These were the custom headings. And if you don't have custom heading, obviously you can add use the AI headings here. Okay, you see how much lengthy and stuff like that it has in the content area of each heading, and it is very precise and to the point content. See, before it was not generating content like this. And if you're concerned that you just need very few short content for each heading and that type of stuff, then obviously you have to use the quick blogs or info blogs article. It will be very short and precise content like this, right? And this was the info blog, this is the quick blog, this is short content, and this is the long content with single SEO blog. And bulk SEO blog module will work same as it is working in this single SEO blog, right? And what's next? Okay, this is just the things that it's actually telling you that what you can do with ChatGPT model. It can generate more accurate results, content without formatting issues. There were many issues about in the previous version, but this model is very good in that sense. And also content is more depth for each heading, as I showed you. And okay, yeah, you can generate unlimited blog posts and publish or draft them on WordPress, right? And it is obviously more cheaper than GPT-3, the previous model. ChatGPT actually charges you very less. And I have actually posted different articles during the testing, and also info blogs is very good and short to the point. Yeah, GPT-4 actually, this is what I was telling you about, that it will be released as soon as I get the official release, right? Okay, the to cover the months, the more new AI models are coming, like in this section, or maybe I will add another drop down section. So just select the main item and then it will show you the models related to that. And also I'm going to add some templates and prompts that I have promised you earlier, that it will be having more templates. Like you just have to select and it will have a complete prompt engineered behind the scenes, and it will be automate the process. Actually, the difference between ChatGPT and Electro AI is prompts are actually uh, working behind the scenes, but obviously ChatGPT is just generating a few content and it is not automating the process. But this Electro AI actually automating the process, and you can generate thousands of articles with Electro AI. ChatGPT is just the engine behind this version, right? And this Electro AI is not only the AI writer, it will be actually automating most of the process like posting to the WordPress and more things I will be adding, but I'm not going to reveal those because if I reveal something and I am not able to fulfill that promise, then it's not a good thing. And it has many type of automation. So I will be adding more automation process to ease the blogging process. Okay. Okay. These are the old updates. Okay. So that's all. And now let's test infoblogs quickly, right? How to use chat GPT with blogging in blogging. How to use uh, chat GPT in marketing, right? You can type obviously anything. You can add long tail topics, you can add short keywords, or you can just type random like this, or you can grab those from any other tool like surface SEO headings, phrase headings, or some other tools that are in market. From you can also get some href recommended head after the keyword research and mapping, or and also you can get them from ChatGPT as well, right? You can get silo structure and everything from them, and also you can just copy all those and paste them here. I will make videos about each strategy, and then we will do the testing. For now, this is only for the version 14 demo. Okay, let's run. Okay, I have to recheck. Okay, let's see now. I will be adding updates here. Anyway, for now, it's just version 10. So don't worry about that. Hold on. I haven't selected infoblogs. What happened here? I think I made some mistake. Sometimes there is new line, so that's why it gives you issue. Infoblogs. Didn't generate anything. Let me try again. I think I just ran the previous model and then run this one. So maybe it's giving me the problem. Also, I have told it here that which VPS is good for the Electro AI version, because many people were having issues that they were not able to use Electro AI on their own personal machine, or sometimes they buy a wrong VPS and then they claim that why it's not working. So that's why many people were asking that which VPS we should use, and then you have it here, and it will be actually the proper settings I have applied on it. The minimum is 4 cores required and 8 GB required. So I have applied all settings here, and you just have to come here. You can set any region, and then you don't have to do any other clicking. You just have to come here and click this one, right? And it will be actually one-time fees, and next month you just have to pay this one, right? This one-time fees is for setting up Windows 10 for you. So that's all, and you don't then you just have to buy, right? Okay, let's see the result now. Okay, it worked. Okay, all set. And also it's not actually doing it for, I mean, all the output is coming in one go and with some prompts there. So yeah, it is not possible to generate the HTML code for in this one go process. In previous, actually we were making lots of prompts, and it was the article was getting generated in patches, but now it's not like that. So that's why I'm not able to generate HTML for it. You just have to, hold on. Let me check if I get the article here. It must be in draft. Okay, I get it. You see, you can post just thousands of the articles on your blog like this. Okay, for example, you just have to come here, do some formatting like this, right? You have to make it user friendly as well. Let's read some of it. Blogging has become an essential part of our lives. Okay, this is where ChatGPT comes in. This article will discuss to use ChatGPT effectively. Okay, it will actually covering all the content depending on this one title, right? Uh, so that's all. You just have to do some editing, or maybe just Control A, Control X, and paste it as plain text, because there you see there were some formatting and H2s and something like that. So now it's formatting free. Now it's raw text. Now we can do like this, right? Now it will be not changing the whole paragraph into H2. Anyway, it's up to you how you are going to use it. You can just also apply Grammarly by checking in 1 second, and then anyway, it now I have to release this version, and so that you guys can give me the feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye.